Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Knowledge check page number 88. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the brackets. Number 1. Heat is a form of dash. Answer is energy. Number 2. The lower fixed point on the Fahrenheit scale is dash Fahrenheit. Answer is 32. Number 3. A temperature of 273 Kelvin is equal to dash. Answer is 0. Number 4. The thin glass tube inside the stem of the thermometer is called the dash tube. Answer is capillary. Number 5. A clinical thermometer usually has a range of dash Celsius to dash Celsius. Answer is 35 to 42 Celsius. Knowledge check page number 93. State whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. Number 1. Heat is transferred from a hotter object to a cooler object until the both reach the same temperature. Answer is true. Number 2. Conduction of heat takes place when two objects are not in contact with each other. Answer is false. Conduction of heat takes place when two objects are in contact with each other. Number 3. An insulator is a material that does not conduct heat easily. Answer is true. Number 4. Convection involves a change in the vibration of molecules about their fixed positions. False. Conduction involves a change in vibration of molecules about their fixed position. Number 5. Black objects are better reflectors of heat than white objects. Answer is false. White objects are better reflectors of heat than black objects. Exercises. Question number A. Choose the correct option. Number 1. The lower fixed point of the Kelvin scale is dash. Option A. 32, 0, 273, 100. Answer is C. 273 Kelvin. Number 2. Which of the following shows heat transfer by conduction? Option A. Metal utensil, wooden log, hydrogen gas, water. Answer is A. Metal utensil. Number 3. Which of these is not an insulator? Option A. Glass, stone, rubber, iron. Option D. Iron. Number 4. Heat is transferred between solid objects that are not in physical contact by option A. Reflection, B. Radiation, C. Convection, D. Conduction. Answer is C. Convection. Number 5. Hot water kept in a container cools down after some time by option A. Radiation, B. Convection, C. Reflection, D. Conduction. A. Radiation. Question number B. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the bracket. Number 1. The dash scale of temperature is used for scientific purposes. Answer is Kelvin. Number 2. A temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 37 degrees. Answer is Celsius. Number 3. Dash is used in the bulb of the thermometer. Answer is mercury. Number 4. An exhaust fan cools a room by dash. Answer is convection. Number 5. The outer plastic casing of a thermos flask reduces the loss of heat due to dash. Answer is conduction. Question number C. Give one example for each of the following. Number 1. A liquid used in a thermometer. Answer is mercury. Number 2. A mode of transfer of heat that requires a medium. Answer is conduction. Number 3. A conductor of heat. Answer is metal. Number 4. An insulator. Answer is glass. Number 5. A device that is used to cool a room by convection. Answer is fan. Question number D. Give reasons for each of the following. Number 1. Gases are not good conductors of heat. Gases good conductors नहीं होते हैं heat के. Answer. Conduction depends on how closely the molecules of the substance are packed together. कंडक्शन इसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि मॉलिक्यूल्स कितने क्लोजली पैक्ड हैं. द मॉलिक्यूल्स इन द गैस आर वेरी लेस बाउंड विच इज़ वाई गैस इज़ पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. जो मॉलिक्यूल्स जो हैं गैसेस में बहुत लेस बाउंड हैं, इसीलिए ये पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट हैं. नंबर 2. बिल्डिंग्स आर ऑफन पेंटेड वाइट. बिल्डिंग्स को वाइट पेंट किया जाता है, क्यों? The walls and roofs of buildings are often painted white. This keeps the roofs and walls cool during summer because white is good reflector of heat. जो walls हैं roofs हैं बिल्डिंग के वाइट कलर के किए जाते हैं ताकि ये कूल रहें गर्मी के दौरान, समर के दौरान, और क्योंकि ये गुड रिफ्लेक्टर होते हैं हीट के, तो ये कूल रखते हैं रूफ्स को और वॉल्स को, इसीलिए वाइट पेंट किया जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर ई. स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. करेक्ट द फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट्स. नंबर 1. A hotter object has more heat energy than a cooler object. Answer is true. Number 2. Melting point of ice is taken as the upper fixed point of a temperature scale. Answer is false. Melting point of ice is taken as the lower fixed point of a temperature scale. Number 3. Cooking utensils are made of metals as they are insulators of heat. Answer is false. Cooking utensils are made of metals as they are conductors of heat. Number 4. The land breeze blows during the daytime. Answer is false. Land breeze blows at night time. Number 5. Radiation takes place only between objects that are in contact. Answer is false. Conduction takes place only between objects that are in contact. No medium is required for radiation. Question number F. Answer the following questions in one word or a sentence. Question number 1. Which scale of temperature is used in India? Answer is Celsius scale. Number 2. What is the working principle of a liquid thermometer? Answer is the liquid expands on getting heated or due to the rise in temperature. Number 3. What is the average temperature of the human body in the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales? Answer is 37 degrees Celsius and 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. What is conduction? The transfer of heat from a hotter object to a colder object when they are in contact with each other is called conduction. Number 5. In which states of matter does convection takes place? Answer is convection takes place in gases or liquids.